Happy Vlogmas day 17. I'm currently on my way home from work. That was cute. And tonight we're actually gonna be getting ready for a date night. The parents are going out. Where we're going, I have no idea, but we're going. If it's the last thing I do. Hopefully it's not the last thing I do, but you know, we going. Ooh, I didn't open my mother's gift for today. I'm gonna do that when I get home. It's day 5. Day 5, day 5. Candy? It's some sort of treat. They're hopefully not rice cakes. I see what they are. Oats and honey. I'm grateful. But you know what I could do? I could crush it up and put it on some ice cream. That's a treat. Or I can heat it up and put the ice cream on top with some chocolate drizzle or something. Now that's a treat. I could turn this around. I could turn this around. Oats and honey with toasted coconut. Thanks, Mom. I might have to eat one now because I'm waiting to go on my date and I'm hungry.
You pretty?
Mm-hmm. Am I pretty?
Shit. Girl, let me be your photographer. It has a lower sporty look to it.
Pass the test.
I can work with it.
Is it better than... Which one's better?
I don't know yet.
Okay. I'll check back. I love me a curry puff. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Let's try that first before we make it inedible. But also, thank you for the spice, right, girl? Got the sniffles. I can't cool it down. It's right here. It's right there.
Good?
But it tastes so good. Look at my eyes. Can you see them watering?
A little. Oh yes.
Oh wait.
Is that gonna help you?
I think so. I know I got these for a reason.
I'm toast.
You're what? You're toast? You still gotta pick up your son.
This place gets a stamp of approval. We're coming back.
Stamp of approval.
Yes, ma'am.
Look, Japanese barbecue coming, smashing grapes. Oh, Japanese tea culture.